Here, look! Did you see it? The engine shakes very badly when the car is idling. I took the car to the repair shop. They were ready to replace my spark plugs without even checking. The fee is $3,000. I said this car has only traveled 20,000 kilometers. You might as well grab it. I drove off right away. Today I will prove to my fans, you can fix this problem yourself without spending a penny. Come on, turn off the engine. Let's disassemble the spark plug. Check what the fault is. Pull the plug. Use a wrench to loosen these 4 screws. Screwdrivers are so cheap you can even borrow one from Mario. The screws have been removed. Then we pull out the ignition coil. Get a spark plug sleeve and stick it in. This sleeve is only the price of a burger. Next, turn it counterclockwise so the spark plug can be removed. Look! Wow, the spark plug head is covered in carbon deposits. Don't rush to replace it yet, lest you spend money in vain. Just keep your eyes open and see how I solve it. Remove the remaining 3 spark plugs. Okay, all 4 spark plugs have now been removed. Next is the highlight. Go to the kitchen and get a bottle of toilet cleaner. Pour it into the cup. If you can't find toilet cleaner, ask your mother. Soak these 4 spark plugs in toilet cleaner to clean the carbon deposits. Did you see that? The carbon deposit on the spark plug head has begun to fall off. Let's wait 5 minutes and see the effect again. Okay, 5 minutes have passed. Let's check it out. My gosh, did you see? Such precipitation is all carbon deposits. Look, all 4 spark plugs have carbon deposits falling off. This spark plug looks like new. Let's wipe them clean and install them back to see if the engine still shakes. Look, all 4 spark plugs have been placed. Next, install the ignition coil. Put in the screws. Tighten the screw. Finally, plug in the plug. Good. All parts have now been installed. Now I'll start the car and check if the engine is still shaking. Hey, bro, if the fault is solved, please light the red heart on the right to support me. What follows is the miracle of witnessing the moment. Brake, shift to P gear, start up, come on. Did you see that? Start smoothly. The engine is also very powerful. Check the engine. Please pay attention. Did you see it? The engine runs very smooth. Just perfect. Pretty simple car knowledge, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.